The Automan here. Today we're talking about belts on your vehicle and how important they are. Well, they're extremely important, to be honest with you. And how often should they be inspected? Belts should be inspected regularly during normal services. At the West Automotive Group, we tend to look at them every time you have your vehicle in for an oil service. Just a good idea to keep a good eye on them. Now, most vehicles these days run a serpentine belt, and it will be actually one single belt that runs all items, everything from possibly the water pump to the alternator, power steering, AC. A lot of times we only have one belt, a couple idler pulleys that run on the belt, and an actual tensioner that keeps the belt tensioned properly. Belts are extremely important today. If you lose one of these belts and it does run all the items on your vehicle, the vehicle could overheat, you lose the charging system, you can lose your power steering, etc. So that's why we want to keep a good eye on belts. Belts fail in multiple ways. Sometimes they will get damage to the back side of them, could be from sand or grit or anything getting onto the belt. Other times they just fail from wearing out on the front of them and start to come apart. We inspect belts with a belt gauge to see the depth and how much materials come off of them, and we make recommendations from there. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFNB.